I'm Lori, this is MakerHigh, and today we're going to talk about why you should subscribe to my channel. Now, I have loved making things ever since I was a wee lass. Let's maybe zoom in, that's not necessarily a great... Oh, that's not really any better, is it? I've always loved making stuff. And that's why I started my YouTube channel, to share that information with you guys. You might think I'm a little bit of a weirdo. Hopefully you find me funny. But I have professionally made things for years and years and years and years. Back in the aughts, I worked for an animation studio, which maybe you can guess which one it is. I made so much stuff, you guys. It's not even funny. Like, I don't even have time to show it all to you. But I learned so much on the fly, having to improvise things. And, I learned the right way to do things. I learned the wrong way to do things. But honestly, I learned so much at that job. And you'll see some of it in the videos, for example, the glass etching that I have here. But sadly, I did get laid off. I tried my hand at doing some military-themed baby artwork. I made a booth. I tried selling it. That didn't work. So, off to puppets. I taught myself from scratch how to make puppets, and I have made so many puppets. I have made big puppets and small puppets, and puppets that look like people, and puppets that look like fictional characters, puppets that have been on TV and in movies, especially independent films, music videos, like hundreds of puppets, and each one has been its own challenge, and I've had to learn how to do so many things I never thought that I would need to. But the thing is, I have all of this knowledge, and the only thing I like more than making stuff is showing other people how to make stuff. So if that's something that you want to know, like everybody's like, oh, I could never be creative, I could never make that. You totally can, because if I can do it, you can totally do it. So make sure that you subscribe, ask any questions that you have down in the comments. It's a really nice community, a lot of really great people here. Also, the other thing you're going to notice about me is I really like skulls and gothy things. So yeah, that shows up a lot. And the other thing I'm really big on is safety, and, trying to make sure that you're as safe as possible when you make things. I'll always try and give you a warning before I show you how to do stuff. But anyway, if you're a cool person, go ahead and subscribe. You also want to ring the bell icon just so you get updates for when I upload. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys down in the comments. So, fingers crossed.